Hello all, I am Ritik Raj. I am currently pursuing 4th year in computer science and engineering. I met Karthick sir in my grade 11th. He came to our school to take a demo class. He taught me class 12th current and electricity is demo class. I still remember because that's how he first impressed all of us in our class. And he thought the first impression he made was he not only taught the concept but how to relate it to the real life. That is how he impressed all of us. And then he taught me physics throughout 11th, 12th and JE preparation, JE mains and also JE advanced. He was there with me throughout my journey. Even after 12th, after that 1 year, he was throughout JE mains and advanced preparation. I'm a sort of maths person, so derivations and formulas were not that much of a difficult to me, but he bridged the gap between derivations and formulas and the real life connecting physics. That's how I'm able to solve problems of JE advanced because they connect it to the real life. They connect not only mathematically, it involves a lot of mathematics, but also there will be a bridge, how to connect it to a real life. He bridged that gap very peacefully, very beautifully in all of his classes. And we studied, he was with me through all Saturdays and Sundays in my class 12th. Because we were COVID batch, we were unable to interact through offline classes. We were interacting through online classes, and Saturday, Sunday, I used to go to his home, and we were studying from morning to evening without any breaks in between except for lunch. We studied late nights also. Still now he is in contact with me. He's not just a teacher to me. He's a mentor and role model to me. Whenever I have any problems in my life, I used to call him and I used to ask him, sir, what do I do? So he's not just a teacher. He's a role model. He's a guide. He's a mentor to me. One thing I deeply respect about sir, apart from his teaching, is his humble, and he was always there. He was always there to motivate me. Whenever I had doubts, how many ever times I asked it, he would explain it with a smile in his face. That is how we know he loves teaching physics and he loves his students. Thank you.